Hey, kindergarten students, it's time to do our morning message together today. I'm so excited and happy that you're joining me for another daily check-in video. Let's get started. Ooh, looks like we have a missing letter for our day of the week. It just says it's Oozday. What does the word Tuesday start with? If you said T or the sound T, you're correct. So we need to write Talking Tessa's letter shape right here. We're going to capitalize it. Days of the week always start with a capital letter. So now we have that it's Tuesday, April. Yesterday was the 13th day of April. Do you know what number comes after 13? If you said 14, you're right. 14 comes after 13. I wrote 14 by making a 1 for one group of 10 and 4 for 4 extra ones. The year is still 2020, or you could say 2020. Howdy! Here is your learning schedule for today. Of course, you'll watch a Brookview Live video from Mr. Drummerhausen if you haven't already. You're watching my welcome check-in right now. Mrs. K has a Letterland video for you today and lesson to go along with that, so make sure you're doing your best for that lesson. And Mrs. Rose has a writing lesson for you today. In addition, Dr. Webster has posted a music activity on the Seesaw Class app, so make sure to check that out too. All right, let's get back to reading our message. Looks like you have a writing lesson today. Your attendance check-in is to send me a letter. Woohoo! I am so excited to read all of your letters. Boys and girls, you could send it to me probably by writing it and then taking a picture. You cannot post a picture to comments. You'll have to message that to me, okay? If there's a problem, your parent could always take a picture of your letter and just text it to me. They have my phone number. Be kind today and every day. Love, Mrs. Feldkamp. All right, it's time for our student shout out. Yesterday, we featured Olivia Y. So it's time for a boy today to get their turn, isn't it? So here is your clue. First clue was that the student is a boy. Second clue is that his first name starts with a letter that falls between R and T in the alphabet order. So if you're saying your ABCs and you get to Q, R, T, what letter did I skip saying? It's S. There are 2 kids in our class that start with an S. Soraya is one of them. She's a girl. And then there's a boy. Do you know who it is? It's Sam. Sam, shout out to you. You're our featured student today. I hope you're doing really well at home with your sister and your parents. We miss you so much. And we're going to write your name. Now, I know your full name is Samuel. All of our classmates know you as Sam, so I'll write Sam today. Sam is a name that we can sound out. It has 3 sounds. S, am. I'm writing a capital S for S. The A, Annie Apple, letter A. And then I need to write Munching Mike's letter M. S-A-M is Sam's name. Boys and girls, how many vowels do you see in Sam's name? If you said 1, you're correct because the letter A is a vowel. So 1 vowel plus how many letters are left over? How many are consonants? If you said 2, you are correct because it's S and M. Those 2 letters are consonants. So we have 1 plus 2 equals how many letters altogether in the name Sam? 3, right? 1 more than 2 is 3 is another way to say that. Let's continue on to our calendar. All right, it is still April 2020, but it's no longer the 13th. We just said in our morning message that it's the 14th. So we're going to write a 1 and a 4. When I write a 4, I go down, slide to the right, and cut it in half. We need a picture pattern for today. Yesterday we had a rain cloud. What picture comes after rain cloud in our ABCD pattern? If you said chick, you are correct. Way to go. We're going to put a chick there. All right, will you count with me up to 14? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's go backwards. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Way to go. We need to adjust our tomorrow, today, and yesterday arrow. Take a peek at where the yesterday arrow is pointing to. Point backwards. It already happened a day ago, didn't it? Yesterday was Monday. Right here, right now. Today is Tuesday. And then glance under the blue tomorrow arrow. What will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, moving on. Weather girl, what do you see? How does the weather look today? All right, boys and girls, I am doing this the day before, so I am thinking that it is either partly sunny or partly cloudy. I'm going to mark it for sure tomorrow. So you just look outside your window and check the weather for me, okay? All right, it is going to be another mid-30s degree day today. I cannot believe it, but I think the high is supposed to be 36, very similar to what it was yesterday. 36, 3 groups of 10 and 6 extra ones. And we will draw that all the way up past 0, 10, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36. Oh, still another cold spring day in Minnesota, isn't it? All right, yesterday we had 13 tally marks. I'm going to add one more tally mark, boys and girls, right here next to the group I left off with. Count by 5s for the tally groups with me. Ready? 5, 10, now go on to 1s, 11, 12, 13, 14. There have been 14 days in April. Boys and girls, remember to write me a friendly letter today. Listen carefully to Mrs. Rose's and Mrs. K's lessons for you. If you have any questions, as always, shoot me a message or have your parents text me, whatever works best. And I will see you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.